CPT Belapur, Navi Mumbai. Namaste parents. Are you worried? Are you looking for CBD Belapur based Marathi families for matrimonial alliance who's equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best Marathi marriage bureau cum Marathi wedding planners in CBD Belapur. A marriage bureau that provides its matrimonial matchmaking services 100% free for widows, physically disabled females as well as daughters and sisters of economically weak families. A marriage bureau for Marathi elite and middle class families. Passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 1,251 rupees only. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Marathi bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in CBD Belapur. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. The Central Business District of Belapur or CBD Belapur is a node of Navi Mumbai, an important business district in Navi Mumbai. It has been developed in a planned manner as per the city planning of Greater Mumbai. Belapur is surrounded by greenery and it is much more organized than any other parts of Navi Mumbai. There are a couple of waterfalls situated in sector 8B where people come for trekking and nature trails. Belapur Fort is a site that you can find in the Belapur township of Navi Mumbai. It was constructed in the 16th century by the Siddhis of Janjira. Belapur has a variety of options in the nightlife and it is crowded with lounges of Navi Mumbai. It has the largest number of high-end restaurants than any other node of Navi Mumbai. The locality is very well connected with the rest of the city via Belapur CBD railway station on a harbour line. It is also well connected via BEST and NMMT buses. The Mumbai International Airport is around 30 km away. CBD Belapur has been growing since the 1990s and is now home to colleges as well as a number of technology businesses. CBD Belapur is the chief business district of Mumbai after Vashi, BKC, Nariman Point and Worli. CBD Belapur houses various government establishments like Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, CIDCO, Special Crime Branch, Chief Commissioner of Central Excise, MTNL, Cotton Corporation of India Limited, Headquarter of Konkan Railway and nationalized banks including RBI, SBI, PNB, etc. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In CBD Belapur, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in CBD Belapur. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Marathi life partner in CBD Belapur has been taken up by Marathi marriage bureaus and Marathi marriage consultancy in CBD Belapur. Today I will introduce you a Marathi matrimonial service provider in CBD Belapur which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Marathi families in CBD Belapur for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in CBD Belapur, but the marriage bureau in CBD Belapur who have changed the concept of Marathi partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in CBD Belapur. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Marathi family is looking for in their search for a bridegroom in CBD Belapur. Yes, they keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Marathi matchmaking services in CBD Belapur. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised in the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in CBD Belapur to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic create partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivery. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in CBD Belapur. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in CBD Belapur. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in CBD Belapur. Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1. We do not just sign up clients for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2, we have the large Marathi database of profiles in CBD Belapur and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have handpicked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in CBD Belapur. Number 3, our Marathi personalized matchmaking service in CBD Belapur fee ranges starting from 1,251 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. But Dharma Vedic matchmaking services are 100% free for widows, physically disabled females as well as daughters and sisters of economically weak families. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in CBD Belapur. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Marathi matchmaking process in CBD Belapur. At the same time, if you know someone who is widow or physically disabled female or economically weak family who is struggling to find best groom for their daughters and sisters, please inform them that Dharma Vedic matchmaking services are 100% free for them and they can call us on 8828952895. Again, I'm repeating the number 8828952895. Please call. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.